YouTube. I just wanted to take a little bit of time to show you guys my new camper. It's the Aurora Lite by Forest River. I got it at Blue Compass. It's the 16 BHX. Give you a quick little walkthrough. It's got one propane tank, came with one battery, and I paralleled the second battery. Got your storage unit right here. And what I just finished doing this week is I wired up the roof solar and a secondary charge controller for the external solar port for foldable panels. And then I also got tank heaters that I just installed for my black tank, my gray tank, and my fresh water. I also got a Bluetooth monitor for my rooftop solar because that's what's always running. The only thing I don't like about this model is there's no front jacks, so I just use some jack stands underneath the front. Got a JBL speaker on the outside, the leash link for your dogs, the rear jack stands, you got city water connection, you got black tank flush. It's set up for a ladder and also a backup camera if you choose to get that. Here's where you got your water heater is in there. Sorry. Fresh water connection. You got your black and gray valves, cable satellite hookup, and shore power. I'll take you guys on into the inside. Alright, so there is my foldable solar panel. It's only 110 watts. I also have a 300 watt. You got your RV queen size bed, storage up top. Above that, you got a little corner storage, TV. You only have one window by the sink, one window behind the jackknife sofa, and one window by the bed. There are no drawers in this, so it kind of sucks when you come to look at storing things. But you got storage cabinet above the sink, microwave, two top cooker stove, furnace is down here. You got a small little storage section right under the sink, and then this one you got a bigger section for pots and pans and utensils and all that stuff. Here's your control panel. So you got your battery, fresh black and gray. You got your interior lighting, exterior lighting, which has a LED color changing bar. You got your water pump, you got your gas heater, and your electric heater for your water tank. It's got the JBL surround system, sound system. Got your awning. It's a GE everything in here. GE fan, GE microwave, GE stove, and the fridge. The fridge is probably my favorite part because it's a giant fridge for such a small camper. You got your two bunks, which I believe are 250 pound limit on each of them. You got your GE controller for your furnace and your air conditioner. And right now I got my generator and propane in the bathroom, but it's a decent sized bathroom. Shower. You can tell it's still new because there's still sawdust everywhere. Haven't used the shower yet. We've only taken it camping twice, so. Yeah, and then up here you got storage. I got a bunch of these containers to keep most of my food in. Keep it nice and sealed and fresh, and so bears can't smell it. You got your 3 storage cabinets up there. And let's see if I can show you how this jackknife sofa comes out. You just lift up on it and it folds out. It's about, I'd say, a twin size bed. They think that 2 people can sleep on that, and I'm sure you could probably sleep 2 kids easily, maybe 2 adults if you were small enough. And to just put it back, you lift up on the bottom and you pull in, and it just drops right in. You also got storage underneath the jackknife sofa. But that's pretty much it. It's been a decent, nice camper to start. We've liked it a lot. I don't know if you can see the LED strip for the exterior lighting right there underneath the awning lip. Let me turn that off real quick. It is wired for 600 watts of solar at 30 amps. Right now I only have a 100 watt SIGS panel up there. And then I have the 110 watt foldable panel, and I have the 300 watt foldable panel. Here's your information stickers right here. Yeah, there's the Forest River Aurora Lite. Another thing I did like about it was you got little gutters at the top with little spouts that actually put the water away from the side of your camper, which is really nice, and the roofs are a lot nicer nowadays. But yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.